Namaste all, this is Shekhar. Welcome to my channel. SEKHAR'S English. Keep learning, keep practicing, the secret of success. Friends, as I promised earlier in my previous video, today I am making a video keeping in view the very basic learners. Even you may not be a basic learner, but please watch it till the end. Before going to the topic, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon for instant notifications when I make a new video, and share it and like it. Friends, let's get into the topic. Today I am going to talk about a little bit about articles. I'm not going to go deep about articles because in the very initial stage it's not a good idea of going about articles deep. So, what are articles? Article, basically it plays the role of an adjective. It modifies a noun. It comes before a noun. Please remember it. And articles are of two types, definite and indefinite. Definite article is the, indefinite articles are a, an. Definite means specific, indefinite means general. Before going to know what specific and what general is, let's go to our alphabet. All of you know that in English language there are 26 letters. After these 26 letters, 5 letters are vowels: A, E, I, O, U. The remaining letters are consonants. You know that vowels means achulu, consonants means hallulu. These 5 letters A, E, I, O, U gives us the sounds like A, I, U, A, I, O. So, if the first letter of a noun gives us any of these sounds, you have to put an. For example, you see an umbrella, an elephant. You see an elephant. The first letter itself is E, but it gives us a sound, elephant. The same way, umbrella, the first letter of this word is U, but it gives us the sound A sound. So, an umbrella. You see, honest man, the first letter is H, but it gives us the sound A, not Ha, A sound. So, an honest man. So, please remember, friends, if the first letter gives us vowel sound, not the first letter, don't see the first letter is vowel or not. If the first letter gives us the vowel sound, please put an, the article an. If the first letter of a word, if the first letter of a noun gives us consonant sound, you have to put a. For example, you see a car. Here the letter C gives us ka sound. Ka sound is a consonant sound. So you have to use a car. So friends, you have to remember one thing here. Don't say a car, a pen, a lorry. As a letter, we have to pronounce it A, as a letter A, B, C, D, like that. But as an article, we have to pronounce it a ball, a pen, a car. He is a teacher, he is a student, not he is a student. He is a student. A sound, it gives us A sound. So friends, a ball, a car, a pen, it means vaka balu, vaka pennu, vaka karu. This is general. An umbrella, vaka godugu. An elephant, vaka enugu. This is general. So here it gives us general meaning it gives us. Oka balu, oka pen, oka karu, oka umbrella. This is general. So what is specific? You see, the umbrella, the car, the pen, the book. That means a umbrella, a karu, a pen, a pustakamu. So that is specific. Here we mention the same noun. Let us see one example. I saw a car yesterday that was very beautiful. The car was very beautiful. I saw a car. In the previous sentence, I said a car. I saw a car. I saw a car. Yesterday, a car. నేను ఒక కారుని చూశాను నిన్న. The car was so beautiful. ఆ కారు చాలా అందంగా ఉంది. The car. In the next sentence, I said the car. Here, the car is beautiful. అంటే ఆ కారు చాలా అందంగా ఉంది. In the previous sentence, నేను ఒక కారుని చూశాను నిన్న. ఒక కారుని చూశాను. A car. The car is beautiful. ఆ కారు చాలా బాగుంది. చాలా అందంగా ఉంది. So ఆ కారు. So that is the difference between indefinite and definite, general and specific. I think you have understood this. And there is one confusion. A question may arise. A question may arise. What is that? Generally, nouns come before nouns. Sorry, articles come before nouns. Before this, I said one example. He is an honest man. Honest man. Honest is adjective basically. If it comes alone, you should not put article. For example, you see one example. He is honest. He is honest. Here the word honest comes alone. So you should not put an in front of honest. He is honest. That's it. Suppose if you want to write honest man, on the whole, honest man becomes a noun. So you have to write he is an honest man. That is the difference between adjective which comes alone and adjective with noun which comes together. Friends, I hope this video is helpful to you, and today you have learned how to pronounce article a and where to use general article and specific article. General, I mean definite article and indefinite article, where to use a or an and the. So sometimes one more thing, sometimes we pronounce the, sometimes we pronounce the. So what is the difference here? So if the first letter of a noun gives us vowel sound, we have to say the elephant. Suppose if you want to mention the same noun, actually if you want to say in general, you have to say an elephant. If you want to do specific, if you want to make it specific, then you have to say the elephant. Suppose if the first letter of a word gives us consonant sound, you have to say the. For example, you say the car, the elephant, the car. That is the difference between the sound and the sound. Thank you so much, friends. If you like this video, please share it as many friends as you have. Thank you. Namaste.